Hello, I just built a face recognition system using C# and Windows Form, and I will show you how it works. So this is the application. I will start the app now to show you how it works. So you start by selecting camera. Let me use Neuron V11 here. Then you select the resolution you want to shoot in. For this case, I will select the highest resolution, and then you start up the camera. So I click on start. It should be up in a minute. Yeah, okay. So you can see at the moment, it doesn't recognize me. I'm showing up as unknown. So all I need to do is to enroll myself, and to do that, I need to capture my face. So I'm going to focus on the camera right now, and then I'll try to capture my face. So my face is captured. The next thing will be to enroll the face that I've captured. So I'll click on enroll. I will enter my name. So now, once I click OK, the software will recognize this face as Nelson. So I'll click OK. You can see. So now it's recognizing me as Nelson. What's more fun is I have a tablet here with me with other photos. So I will show the camera one of the photos that I have here, and hopefully it should also show unknown. Don't worry, sometimes it's going to show me as unknown, but if I focus well, of course, it will recognize me. So let me show the picture here. So you can see it appears as unknown. So I'm going to enroll this person now. It's going to be difficult, but I will try to enroll this person. So it's captured. Now I will enroll. Let me call this man 2. I'll click OK. So for me, I'm Nelson. And for this, man 2. So you can see. So the software recognizes me as Nelson and man 2. So you can see it's working. What's even more fun is I can stop this camera and I can actually use my phone. I have my phone here, the Tecno Camon 40 Pro. So I'm going to switch to my phone as a virtual camera. So I will start the camera. I should get a notification on my phone to allow the camera. So my phone is already connected on my system as a virtual camera. So I'm going to allow the camera, and you can see, let me switch to front camera. So you can see, it still knows me as Nelson. Then when I switch to my back camera, I can also verify this person as man 2. So if I switch to front camera, you need a very bright environment, of course. So it still recognizes me as Nelson, and then so if you notice, it never mistakes me as man 2, and it never mistakes man 2 as me. So it's working. You can enroll as many faces as you want, and then this software got you covered. I forgot to mention, yes, I built the software, but the algorithm is not mine. But then the algorithm can be localized, so you can localize the algorithm, and then it does face matching for you. So if you're interested in this system, check the video description. I always leave my contact details there. You can reach out to me. For now, bye.